Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the glass tray drive coupling in your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Remove the glass tray and pull the old drive coupling straight up to remove. Install the new glass tray drive coupling by aligning it on the motor shaft, then push it into place. Position the glass tray on the coupling. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the microwave oven should be ready for use.